I hope you have your notebooks ready because we have a lot to talk about. Let's get into it. Yeah, it's your girl Aarian. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about things you should know before dyeing your hair. And real quick, who am I? Just a girl, not professional, not professional, not professional. So if you need professional advice, go to a professional. Just a girl who's had her hair dyed consistently since 2018. Hair hasn't fallen out yet, and never will. Amen, hallelujah. Okay, let's get into the video. And if I'm looking down, I have all my notes on my iPad because this video will be all over if I didn't have some notes somewhere. First things first, if you don't have a consistent hair routine right now and you can barely take care of your hair, dyeing your hair is not for you. Let me stop you right now. Dyeing your hair is not for you. You need to learn about how to take care of your hair first and foremost, because if you're giving your hair the same attention that you're giving it right now and you barely do your hair as is, you're gonna be bald. Like, you're gonna be giving Caillou, and that's that. Sorry to tell you, but that's the truth. But if you do have a good hair routine, keep watching me. Even if you don't have a good hair routine, you can still watch so you can know what you're getting yourself into if you're thinking about it. So always do a test strand. I get them done in the back of my head because you're not going to see the back curls of my hair unless I want you to. So do it in the back of your head. That way you can know if your color is going to take, if your color is going to lift, if you even like how the color looks to begin with. Do a test strand and just save yourself some time of laughing or crying or just hating your hair or just whatever. Just, it saves your life. Know what color you want to do. Have inspo pics with it as well, because when I went ginger, I think I did like 3 different gingers before I landed on this hair color. This is the hair color that I wanted to begin with when I said I wanted ginger hair. People didn't really see that. I never really did my color consultation for real and said I want ginger hair. They're like, oh, okay. And they did what they thought was ginger, which is really just orange. Have your inspo pics so everyone knows everyone's on the same page. Now, if you want to do a full head of color like I did, I would say definitely start slow. This is not a race. This is slow and steady. We're being the tortoise, we are not being the hare right now, okay? So in 2018, I did partial highlights, honey blonde. I love the color. In between that, I was getting kind of bored. I ended up dyeing my hair red. Hated the red. You'll barely find pictures of me with that red hair. I hated the red so much. But leading to my next point, if you dye your hair red, it's gonna take forever to come out. Like forever to come out. Like forever to come out. Red takes a lot. So if you already dyed your hair red and you're trying to go blonde, just know it'll take steps, it'll take processes, it'll take a lot of time. But eventually, I was able to go blonde. But I didn't go like blonde. I did full highlights all over my head. Had my great Beyonce moment and whatnot. I feel like every girl needs that in her life, just her blonde moment, and I was enjoying it. Then I wanted to go ginger. Since I already had my full highlights, I know exactly what it'll take to have fully dyed hair almost, and now I have this color that's obviously faded and grown out, but it took me a long time to get from here. So from 2018 with the honey blonde to 2021 with the ginger, it's a lot of time in between that. You need to know that your hair porosity will change. Virgin hair is just hair that isn't chemically altered, heat damaged, colored. Like virgin hair is either low porosity or medium porosity, but once you have some type of alteration to your hair, the cuticles start to lift, and that's how you get high porosity. So I have high porosity hair, which means that water goes into my hair really fast, but it leaves just as fast. And I need to know if you're gonna bleach your hair, get your hair lifted, or whatever. I've done both, but I've never done it myself. I've always let a professional do it. As you can see, I have a lot of hair. I have too much hair. I'm not putting that on me. I don't want patchy hair. I want it to be even. Let a professional do a professional's job, but you need to make sure that that professional can actually do your hair. So you need to actually look for their full portfolio, see if they've done people with curls like yours, with the thickness like yours, if they even done the color that you wanted before. You just need to be able to vet out that person. I say really only go for curl specialists, natural hair curl specialists, and do it that way. If you're doing it with a white person as a black girl, I'm gonna pray for you. They don't have the work to show for it. I say don't do it. Color touch-ups will sneak up on you when you least expect it. The last time I had my hair fully dyed, like roots and all, was like last October. I touched up my hair color in December or January, and I haven't touched it up yet, but I will be touching it up soon just because I want it to be back darker. You know, fall's coming up. Don't know if I'll be dyeing my roots just yet, but I'm gonna dye the ends at least. Now let's get into the products. If any of your products that you have right now are not color safe, throw them away, give them away, something. You just can't use them anymore because your hair color will fade and be taken out with that product, and you just wasted all your money for what? Let's not waste our money getting color. It's an expensive thing. So don't ruin it with products that are not meant for your hair anymore. What is meant for your hair, especially now, is blonde treatments. I love me some blonde treatments. I've been using them since I did my full blonde full highlights, and I do Olaplex number 0 and 3. Really, you only need 3, but I've been doing 0 and 3 consistently from 2020 to now. I haven't done it a lot lately because I feel like my hair is like strong, and I've also been using the Fenty Hair Comeback Kit for like the past month and a half, and I have been loving it because of the leave-in treatment. Also haven't tried K18 yet. It's another good one, but I did just get it in PR and I will be trying it, so I'll do a little review for you guys. But I would say Olaplex, K18, and Fenty Hair are the top 3 ones I recommend for bond treatments. Like I said, I haven't tried K18, but K18 is like very vetted for being a good bonding treatment or just repair system for damaged chemically altered hair. Now, even if you use all these products that are meant for your hair, for your color treated hair, if you have hard water, you're wasting your money. You're wasting your money, because hard water can make your hair color fade super fast. Remember one time I went to get my hair dyed. I had to go back, I think like a week or 2 afterwards. My hair was faded, y'all. Like, even my stylist was like, what just happened? Because we just put the color in my hair. It was like, it was never there. The problem was the hard water. So I would say get you a shower head that has filtered water. I love the Canopy shower head just because it has different features for the water pressure and whatnot. They also just came out with a detachable shower head, which I'm so happy that they have because I was asking for that. I don't have it yet, but I will get that. I love Canopy. People also like Jelly, but Jelly is great. I was having trouble like replacing my filter, and also doesn't have the multiple water pressure like Canopy does, is why I say go for Canopy instead. Now let's get into those protective styles. You want to do braids, you want to do twists, you want to do locks, you want a ponytail, you want something. You need to learn some color theory, because especially with me, I can't find my hair color in the store. So you need to learn how to mix it. It does take time, it does take patience, but you have to be prepared for that. You need to know if you're going to want semi-permanent hair color or permanent hair color. I did permanent one time. It was a box color. That hair color already grew out. So besides that, I have been doing semi-permanent. It does fade like any color, but it's easier to replace with a new color. You put in your deep conditioner, put in conditioner, super easy. It's gonna be a mess regardless, but I prefer semi-permanent over permanent, and it's less damaging on your hair. You're going to need moisture now more than ever. Your hair can be dry, your hair can be brittle. It goes back to what I say about needing to have a consistent hair routine, because if you're not moisturizing your hair or even hydrating your hair, you need to wash your hair every week, not once a month. I know sometimes things happen for me too, just to make it a habit. Once a week, make sure you're deep conditioning every wash day. You don't need to always use a conditioner either. Literally, my wash day routine is I do a blonde treatment, shampoo, deep conditioner, styler. Because conditioning and deep conditioning is literally the same thing. One is just getting left in for longer, so why extend your wash day for no reason? There's no reason. You're wasting your time, you're wasting my time, you're wasting everybody's time, you're wasting your water, wasting everything, you're wasting your money. And last but not least, never ever skip a trim. Trims can be scary, but trims are needed. I literally cut my hair off because I skipped some trims, because you don't want them scraggly ends. So snip those ends, get on a nice routine. Once you learn your hair, you can really feel when your ends are due for a trim, and you need to listen instead of just letting it be. Don't put length over health, put health over length. Always. And that is the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on your post notifications, and also comment down below what color you're thinking about doing, because I'm a little nosy. And if you want to keep up with me, you can follow me on TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram, all at aarianjayy, same as this one with 2 eyes. And I do be trying to chat with y'all in my broadcast channel on Instagram. The chat's called the group chat because we're like, you know, we're all in a group chat. But join that, and I also do post on my community tab as well. And I remember, yeah, that's the end of today's video. Love you guys. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.